This is an introduction on how to turn calendar, task, and email sync on in the ZynBit 2020 sidebar. In the sidebar, you can navigate to the More Options tab. Select Settings, ZynSync, and this will navigate you to the settings page for the calendar, task, and email sync. For calendar sync, you can select the direction upon which you want to sync. We recommend both, or you could have it set to go from your inbox to Salesforce, or the third option is to go from Salesforce to your inbox. Again, the recommendation is both. Select the date in which you would want the sync date to. So this would be the date in which the sync begins to run. And if you want it to sync certain types of events, so events that have only events that have an invitee. So if you have placeholders on your calendar for blocked time that don't have contacts added to them, you can choose to avoid syncing those by selecting just events that have invitees. Or you can say all events. The next sync option is task. Tasks can be synced in both directions, or they can go from your inbox to Salesforce, or from Salesforce to your inbox. And the third option here is email sync. Email is a one-way sync from your inbox to Salesforce. You can set the date for the start date for the email sync, and then you can select your options here. Sync all emails related to Salesforce contacts, sync all emails related to Salesforce leads, or sync all emails related to items I own, or you can select all three. Start syncing, and then it will give you an indication here that that has successfully started. Those emails will then be recorded behind the scenes into Salesforce without your user interaction. So again, we can sync calendars, tasks, and emails. You navigate to this from the More Options, Settings, ZynSync. And the primary benefit of doing this is so that you can prevent having to select these items in the sidebar to push the data over into Salesforce. It all happens transparently without the user having to interact with the sidebar to record the records into Salesforce.